face with this CosRX Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. For my body wash, Grace and Glow, I got this sa TikTok. Hey guys, do a TikTok with me. Concert yarn. Anyway, I will be sharing din kung ano yung lotion na ginagamit ko. This is the Aveeno. Kasi sobrang dry ng skin ko lately. This one works naman for me. Hello guys, it's me, Jappy. Welcome back to my channel. Today is May 9 and it's 1:50 in the afternoon. Anyway, kamusta guys? Kasi ako, I'm not feeling good emotionally. Kasi I receive a sad news. But before tayo magchikahan, I will be showing you how I make my homemade iced coffee. Simple lang siya, nothing fancy, pampagana lang ng mood. Kasi yun nga, things feel a bit heavier lately. Disclaimer lang guys, this is not sponsored. Sometimes I use Nescafe Gold ground coffee pag gusto ko ng medyo matapang. But most of the time, I use Kopiko brown coffee, yung instant coffee lang. Hot water. Next is my favorite oat milk. Outside. This. Okay, share ko na lang kung ano yung mga nangyari the past few days. Last May 3, I was invited by Paula of Gala Events Production in an event called Tiangge Privada sa Lakbay Likha. It's a flea market. To support my friend Paula, pumunta ako doon. And guys, I tell you, when I got in, ang daming mga creatives, daming mga merchants, merong food, merong streetwear, candles, necklaces, and mga anik-anik. One thing that I bought, this bag from VEE. This one is so cute. It's 550 pesos lang. And I also got a box of cookies from Cookie File Davao. Binili ko yun kasi after ng flea market, my next errand was to go to Zara to get my monthly treatments done. And together with Dreamo, yun na yung gift namin for Zara kasi kaka second anniversary lang nila. Anyway, ang dami ko ng chika. Sige na. I'll show the clips on what happened sa flea market and Zara.
Mag-TikTok to guys!
Okay na to, uy. Hi guys, I'm with Lord. Subscribe on her YouTube channel. Where are we right now? Tiangge Privada sa Lakbay Likha. What can you say about the flea market?
Oh my God, I'm so happy. Alam niyo why? Kasi nagbili ako ng necklace pa, mga jewelry, tapos may blind box doon. So nanalo ko ng cash prize. So nabalik lang yung binili ko.
I'm with Doc Zai.
Hello, everyone!
So, unsa man ang gibuhat ka ganina?
So, since nagpabadlong,
Yes, guys.
badlong man, nagpainit,
Nagpainit man sa Siargao, kasabaan mi. Hala!
ang iyang favorite na face contouring, na forma, lift, and then, nag-gentle lang ta na laser with exosomes. Kasi, yes, fresh from Siargao. So, ako na sa...
So the next day is May 4, the second birthday of my mama in heaven. Nag-visit kami sa cemetery. Those kind of days are a bit heavy, but those days also remind me to slow down, to reflect, and to hold on to people that I love. So me and my family, after visiting mom sa cemetery, we went straight to Garden Bay to have a little breakfast. Then after sa Garden Bay, umuwi na ako and mag-breakdown. Charis. Ayun nga, to complete my chika kanina. The reason why I wasn't in the mood kasi I received a sad news just in time for mama's birthday. I guess this is my first heartbreak sa aking career. All of us here in Davao, mga workmates ko, will be based back in Manila by June. Mas okay ako dito kasi meron akong work-life balance. And I'm really settled here na life is here in my case. But wala akong magawa and I'm just really praying and hoping na temporary lang yung pag-base ko sa Manila. I still love my job. Ang dami kong na-sacrifice for this so I won't give up. Anyway, too much drama na. I'll film a dance TikTok na lang din kasi I miss dancing. I wanna distress. Sa mga balita lately, parang deserve ko namang mag-distress. Good morning, guys! Today is May 10 and it's 11:50 a.m. Kakatapos ko lang mag-prepare kasi ang event natin ngayon is makikain. Kanina, 7 a.m. may tumatawag. Turns out, may BFF Soleng pala kasi yung anak ng ate niya is ibibinyag na today. And of course, dahil may lechon, I'll be bringing the Mang Tomas Spicy. This is very an abrupt event. Initial plan ko lang is mag-gym ng bandang lunchtime. But priorities natin yung kain. So, hi guys, good evening. Since meron kaming take-home na lechon, we have here our groom, Gab.
Hi,
What are you cooking?
Lechon Sisi.
Ito naman is lechon paksiw. Si Remo guys, galing siya makeup. Lechon paksiw by Chef Gab.
Chef Gab.
Lechon paksiw by Chef Gab. Thank you, Chef Gab! Hi! 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 Hi, Bless!
Hi, bless daw.
Hello.